So you may be wondering, what tools do I need on a job site? Is it anything special for SIPs? In most cases, it's your common tools that you're gonna find. You're gonna need a caulk gun to actually apply the caulk to the foam, to the panels before you install them. You'll need a hammer or a nail gun. Nails, obviously, these are 8D nails. You might need some 16 nails if you're nailing any lumber together, but typical products there. You'll typically need a skill saw, have one ready on site in case you have to do any trimming to match things up to the foundation, floor deck if things have changed a little bit. Obviously, you want to have a square and a level so that you can build plumb, level, and square. One of the tools that you may not normally have on a site is what's called a planer. And this is what we use if you just want to trim a little bit off a panel or level some things out. These planers come in very, very handy when you're trying to put things together and level them off. So it's just a regular hand planer. You can get them with a battery on them so they're easy to get around and move around job site. And the final item that you'll want to make sure you have on every job site is what we like to call our gentle persuader. And we use this actually when you stand a panel up and you're trying to push two panels together. The sledgehammer is used, and you actually will tap the side of a panel on the bottom, and you'll find it'll move much easier with your gentle persuader than if you're trying to push it by hand.